In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an Uber promo code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to find an Uber promo or voucher code is open up any web browser and head on over to Google. Now in the Google search box, just type in Uber promo code or Uber voucher code and then hit enter. Voucher code and promo code are the same thing, so I'm just going to do Uber promo code, and now from there we're going to be taken to Google search results, and there's going to be a few third-party sites offering these discount codes. So we've got Coupon Nation we can check out, we've got Worth the Penny, keep scrolling down, we've got coupon.today, couponfollow.com, but one I like to use is from couponfollow.com. So I'm going to click into couponfollow.com, and you can see all the different savings you can get on your Uber rides. At the moment they're saying $6 off your Uber ride, see lost prices for Uber rides, sign up to ride, etc. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly as well, so when you're watching this they might have even better promo codes available as well. So say if I want to activate this code here, I'm going to click onto the code, then I'm going to copy this code to save $6 on my next Uber ride. And then from here, just simply put in this code at the checkout section or your when you enter your credit debit cards inside Uber to save $6 off your Uber ride. And if the code doesn't work, just move on to the next one, because some of these can be pretty fickle as well.